Join me, let's explore the Shada Mountain Reserve. It was a wonderful Friday morning that I was opportuned to join my colleague and his friends to visit the Shada Mountain. It was a rare opportunity for me, so let's go. If you have an opportunity to visit Shada Mountain Reserve, you should do that because it's a wonderful place to experience. Okay, let me give a brief summary about Shada Reserve. Shada Mountain Reserve is a stunning natural reserve located in Al Baha, Saudi Arabia. It features a majestic mountain reaching about 2,222 meters above sea level. It is a very high mountain and it's always cool. The temperature remains cool no matter how hot it gets down. It is always very cool up there. And on top of the mountains there is a city or a small town, there's a small local town on top of the mountain. People live there. Very peaceful place. Once you climb there, you might not wish to go down. It will feel as if you are close to the heavens. Alright, Shada houses some diverse ecosystem. There you can see baboons, Arabian leopards, wild cats, and some other animals. The ones I saw when I climbed was the wild cats and the baboons. So when we got to the halfway, we sat down to take our breakfast. We took breakfast. After taking the breakfast, we kept climbing. We climbed to the apex, to the summit of the mountains, to have a view of the small village on the mountain. The mountain reserve is also a home to ancient rock arts, providing a glimpse into the region's history. So, on the mountain, we saw some rock houses where people lived in the ancient days. But now, there are some houses there because people are actually living there currently. You will see some greenhouse farms and some new houses there. There is now presence of houses, but initially during the olden days you will see some rock that were excavated, and inside it looks like a cave where people lived before. My camera could not give me what I needed then, because here, if you see what here gives you, you will never wish to come down from this mountain. Shada Mountain Reserve is a true gem, a place where nature's beauty and history converge. It is a must-visit destination for anyone seeking adventure, tranquility, and deep connection with natural world. This summarizes it all. If you are seeking tranquility, if you are seeking adventure, if you want to feel the nature, try and visit